page 11. A midpoint of a line segment is just the point that is directly in the middle between both of these endpoints, and it cuts it into two congruent halves. It's also called a bisector because it divides it into two different sections. Each of those sections is the same as the other one. So that both of these lines, wherever you put this mark, it should make this side between the midpoint and the end point over here, that distance right there should be the same as this end point to the midpoint. Now you're going to need to use both your straight edge and your compass for this exercise. We're going to go ahead and graph our midpoint on there. Find directly where it is. So what you do is you get this, go ahead and put it on one of these endpoints here. You then get it probably a length a little bit longer than what you would see as halfway. Okay, a little bit longer. And you're going to want to go a full half circle. Okay, you want to go a half circle all the way around like this. Get nice and dark. Now once you have that, don't change the length on this. Don't mess with it. Just put it back onto the other endpoint like this, and then do the same thing. And you'll see that these half circles, oh, I'm gonna miss. Okay, put it back on that point. These half circles right here are intersecting with each other. Now that we see the intersection points, we can take our straight edge, go ahead and line it up right on each of those. Draw a line through it. And the intersection then of that line with your line segment right there, that's your bisector or midpoint. That makes both this side right here, and we'll call this point B, makes between A and B the same length as between B and C. So the way we write that these are congruent is the line segment AB, then congruent sign, congruent with BC, line segment BC.